Hello guys, so today in today's episode we're talking about data types and we'll be talking about variables. So what are data types? So data types are actually the properties or the attributes that are actually given or attached to a particular variable. What do I mean by that? So for instance now, if I write one simply means this type of data written here is a numeric kind of data. So the property attributed to one is a numeric property. So in programming we have different type of data. For instance, we have string, and string I can call the variable name, and I can call this Shay. So you might ask, what have I written here? So basically it's very easy. I'm technically saying that I want to store Shay, but how can I represent Shay in my program? And the best way for me to represent Shay in my program is to declare that, okay, I need to capture Shay in something called a variable. So if I want to do that, I need to create a variable for Shay. And when I create a variable that will contain Shay, I'll be able to represent Shay effectively in my program. So in C#, how we basically do that is because C# is a strongly typed language, you have to declare the type of variable, the type of value that will be contained in a particular variable. So string in this question, in this scenario, is actually a data type. Name here is actually a variable, and if you watch, this variable is assigned to a value called what? A value called Shay, and this way I've appropriately represented Shay in my program. I can also represent I can represent a number of other things, such as numbers, age. So let me do that. So int the age of Shay, I want to represent the age of Shay as 40, and make sure you terminate every line in your program with a semicolon. Very important. Let me go ahead, double, let's call it account balance, and this is account balance is around 300.4. So you might ask, why am I writing 300.4 and for int I'm writing 40? So an int, which represents an integer, contains only values that do not need or do not require a certain degree of precision. So if you check and you compare between int and double, a double contains a decimal. Why? Because it needs some kind of precision or accuracy to its value. So as you can see, double is also a data type, like you guessed. Account balance is now a variable. So I'm now like, okay, Shay has 300 in his account. How can I represent that in my program? The easiest way for me to do that is to declare a double, then which is the data type, then the account balance, which is the variable, and assign it to a value. Because I already know the account balance of Shay as 300, I will assign it as what? 300 in my program. Let's go ahead and print out these values under here. So to print out this result, when your app is run, you need to use your console.writeLine method. So you say console.writeLine. So the first thing I want to write out is the name of Shay. So I'll come here and say the name of Shay is, I'll go ahead and concatenate it with the name variable up here. I'll go here and say name, close my brackets, and end my comments. Same thing I will do if I want to represent the age and print out the result of the age. I'll say console.writeLine, the name, the age rather, of Shay is, concatenate the age, AGE, and semicolon. Same thing I'll do if I want to represent the account balance. So the account bar of Shay is, I'll go ahead and represent it here in my program. What's the account balance? So I will reference the account balance variable in my program. I'll call it account balance. I'll go ahead and close my program and then terminate my statement. Let me go ahead and run this program, save, then I hit console.app run, and let's see what's It gives us option for us and compile it. So let's leave